Thank you for joining us today at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, or online at westerngmcbuick.com. Today we're looking at a 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. It has a satin steel metallic exterior with a jet black leather interior, 4 doors with seating for 7. It's equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 matched to a 10-speed automatic transmission and 4x4. Inside you have a Bose audio system, door storage, this wood grain trim, the memory seats for driver for up to 2 drivers. You have the child safety locks and windows, power windows, mirrors, and locks, power adjustable front seats, and it's a Denali. So they're really nice seats and they have the Denali embroidery right in the headrests. Beside your steering wheel, you've got your heads-up display controls as well as your lighting controls, 4x4, integrated trailer brake controller. You have your traction control, parking assist. You've also got side blind zones and lane keeping, power adjustable pedals, and your power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. This button right here on the left and right hand side, one allows you to change the station, the other allows you to change the volume right from your steering wheel. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control with your forward collision as well as your heated steering wheel. On the opposite side is your dash controls and voice activated system. On the dash you've got a few different menus that you can cycle through. Currently we're looking at information, but there's also audio, phone, navigation, and settings, each with its own set of sub-menus for you to play with. It is a select shift automatic transmission, and you have a button right here on the top. That's your tow haul button, and you'll notice it pops up on the screen, so you're ready to go. It is a push button start, so if you don't use remote start or have the vehicle already started, foot on the brake, key in the car, touch to start. Even when you use remote start, you will have to put your foot on the brake and press the button. When it comes to your media center, it is a touchscreen, but you've also got the hard buttons down below right here. AM, FM, as well as satellite radio options, or use your own device, whether that is a CD, USB, or aux input, or Bluetooth. Navigation can be accessed from this screen, as can your backup camera. Below the hard buttons for your touchscreen, you've got your dual zone climate, front and rear defrost, as well as AC. Control what's happening in those back seats with the 3rd climate zone accessed right here. Notice on the left and right hand side you have your heated and cooled front seats, full heated seat, or just the heated seat back. Right here is where you've got your USB ports and 12 volts of power. If you don't want to see it, you don't have to. You also have 2 cup holders, and again, if you don't want to see it, you don't have to. The armrest has wireless charging on top, and when you lift it up, you've got 12 volts of power, as well as the aux input and 2 more USB ports, and plenty of storage. Locking glove box off to the side right there. Overhead, you have an OnStar mirror that is auto dimming. You also have overhead lights. You have the controls for the tilt and slide function of your moonroof, as well as your universal garage door opener. This right here is going to be for that lift gate. And here is your moonroof. 22-inch wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, splash guards, power-deployed running boards, color-keyed side view mirrors and door handles with keyless access, left-hand side gas cap, backup camera, reverse sensing system, and you have a rear windshield wiper that's hiding there under that almost like rear spoiler. And when it comes to the key fob, you have the ability to release the glass or raise the liftgate. You can also raise it from inside, and there's a button on the liftgate itself. And you'll notice you've still got storage space. And you have even more under there. Right here is where you've got the buttons to power fold your left and right hand side seats. Just with the touch of a button, and you can create a flat load floor with that 2nd row. When it comes time to close your liftgate, you can use your key fob, you can use the button right here, or you can use the button inside. Inside you have door storage, speaker in the door, more of this wood trim, as well as power windows and cup holders. There's handles in the door frame to make it easy to get in, and your 2nd row has seating for 2. You'll notice that the seats can be flipped up into this position. They can also be folded flat, and that'll give you a flat load floor with the rear. You can also flip them right up for when you need them in the seat mode. They have their own armrests. And in the middle, of course, you've got lots of different power options, including 12 volts. You've got the HDMI cord as well as USB aux input. The 2 seats are heated, You've also got the third climate zone access of controls from right here. That cubby space right there is perfect for those headphones, which go quite well with the overhead DVD player. Roof rack, roof rails, blind spot information system, the side view mirrors with integrated turn signals, and so many more reasons to come and visit us at Western GMC Buick. You can visit us anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.